Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete your account on Eldorado.gg. First, open your web browser and go to the Eldorado website. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to delete. Once you are logged in, scroll down to the very bottom of the home page. At the bottom, you will see different links. Look for the option that says Contact Us and click on it. After clicking Contact Us, you will be taken to a support page. On this page, find and select the option that says Start a live chat. A chat window will appear, usually on the right side of your screen. In the chat window, click on the option that says Start a conversation. You will now see a list of topics. From these options, select I am selling or buying. Next, you will see another list of options. Choose Account and Security Questions. This will open more specific options related to your account. From the new list, select I want to delete my account. After that, choose the option that says I want to proceed with deletion. The system will ask you to pick a reason for deleting your account. Select any reason that fits your situation. Then follow the verification steps. This may include confirming your identity through email or other methods. Once you complete all the steps, your account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.